Okay, so editor format on save. Format a file on save. And the thing, it says here, a formatter must be available, and that is true. And we do have the editor default formatter set to prettier's identifier. So, there is a formatter available, and it's prettier. The file must not be saved after a delay. That's not true, actually. This, I guess this is imprecise. What this actually means is that the file will not format if it's saved after a delay. But if you trigger the save manually using Command S or Control S, it will. So it's not that format on save doesn't work when you automatically save the file after a delay. It's just that it won't trigger. So I guess that difference is important. And finally, the editor must not be shutting down, obviously. So let me just show you what it means to save the file after a delay so that you're not lost. So let's go. What? Why isn't it? Okay. So you have this option here, files autosave, right? And you have autosave delay. And if you have autosave set to off, obviously this will not save after a delay, but if you set it to, you actually have these 4 options, but if you set it to after a delay, it will save after 1 second, right? Automatically, yeah, you don't have to do anything. I'm not sure if you saw, but there was a dirty circle here and it automatically saved after 1 second. So it still works if you have this option turned on. It's just that it won't trigger the format, actually. Okay, so format on save false. So if we save this file, like I'm pressing Command S, no formatting is being triggered. But if we set this to true, see what happens now. Boom, prettier formatted the file. Now I'm gonna Control Z or Command Z in my case, set this to false. And now notice that I'm gonna save the file, so no formatting is triggered. See, I'm not triggering a format. Let's put files autosave to after delay. So every time we make a change to a file, it's gonna, after 1 second, it's gonna save automatically. And notice that I'm making changes, I'm inserting stuff, and it's saving, but it's not triggering the format, the formatting of the document. But if I save manually, wait, did I turn that off? Right, I need to turn that on again. Right, sorry about that. Okay, so I'm gonna keep making changes. 5, whatever. It's automatically saving, but it's not triggering the formatting of the document. If I save manually now, it's still format. So you get the best of both worlds. You get autosave, and you can manually trigger the formatting of the document, which is awesome. So I would leave this option as true. I'm just gonna get this one back to off because we'll get there eventually, and I'm doing this sequentially. But definitely format on save, yeah, it's pretty useful.